There's lots of wireless microphone systems on the market, and this one from a company called Kimafun is under £100 in the UK, and this is what it sounds like. I'm using the Kimafun wireless microphone system with my Canon R6. There's a receiver plugged into the camera's microphone over there, and then I've got the transmitter over here clipped onto my hoodie. Now it's got some really good features, this, and we're going to test it out and about. We're going to test the range as well, which, spoiler alert, is really impressive. So first of all, what you get in the box is, well, first of all, you get this cool little box. It comes in this nice carry case, Kimafun logo on the front, nice hard carry case, and then inside you get a number of things. You get the transmitter, which is on me, you get the receiver over there, and then you get a wind muff dead cat thing that clips onto the transmitter here. It's got a nice clipping system so it won't fall off, so that's good. You also get a lavalier microphone, which will plug into the transmitter if you want to go a little bit more discreet, so that's nice. These actually have pop filters on. It comes with a spare pop filter as well. You've got two wires to plug it into the camera, whatever you're using. You can use the TRS to plug into a camera or a GoPro, and then you can use the TRS to plug it into a mobile phone or mobile device or laptop or something like that. So you can use it with all different devices. So here we are with the Kimafun. You can clip it to yourself. You can use the lav mic that comes included, or you can just hold it as like a microphone like this. But for Instagram videos, for Reels, for TikTok, you really are restricted when it comes to using iPhone audio. It's a lot better to use an external audio source, and something like this would be absolutely perfect. Not only will you be able to move away from the camera, move around and do those TikTok videos or Reels or whatever you want to do, the audio sounds really good as well. So it's a win-win situation as far as I'm concerned compared to the audio that is in the iPhone 13 Pro. You need to be really close to the iPhone for the audio to sound any good. Now you can move around, you can go around the office, you can do what you want to do, you can jump around, and you crazy kids can do those TikTok videos and it still sound amazing. So this is what it sounds like with the Kimafun wireless microphone system. Lastly, in the box you've got the USB-C charger. Yes, that's right, charges by USB-C, and that's really important because it's the universal standard these days for charging things, so everything should be USB-C. The battery, while we're on the case, will last 5 hours of talk time, so that's really good. The only thing it doesn't have is an inbuilt storage, which is a little bit disappointing, but for under £100, that's kind of what you expect for this price point. The range is 50 meters, we'll test that in just a second, and both of these transmitter and receiver are both 30 grams or just under, so very light as well. We're testing the Kimafun microphone. So this is what it is, it's wireless microphone. This is the transmitter. I've got the wind muff on there which attaches via a bit of a clip. We've got the receiver on the top of the GoPro, and Jake's going to film me. I'm going to walk down there and test out the range to see if it does cut out. I'll keep on facing you and then we'll see if it does cut out at any point. What does it sound like? Let me know. I'll turn around actually. Has it cut out? It might have done, because I'm going to fall over otherwise. What does it sound like? We're about 20 meters away now. Is it still cutting out? Can you still hear me? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Turning around. Does it cut out, or are we okay? About 30 meters away now. Nothing in between me and the camera. Hopefully this is still working. Yeah, we're way away. Jake's a little dot, and I'm probably a little dot on the picture. What does it sound like? Can you still tell me? That's over 50 meters easily. So hopefully that was okay. Hopefully it sounds good as well. Hopefully it didn't cut out. I'm betting it might have cut out while I was actually turning around and facing away. It works on a 2.4 gigahertz frequency, which is the common frequency for most microphones, so it should be good quality. What does it sound like? It's another walk through a field over 50 meters. Let me know in the comments down below. The receiver has a TFT display, so it displays stuff like the output. You can check your levels, which is really important and a really nice feature for something so cheap, and you can check the battery power of both devices. So to have that screen on there is really nice, especially you can check your levels before you actually record any video. So there's a lot to like about this wireless microphone system from Kimafun. The features I do really like. I love this wind muff, the fact that it clips on. It's really handy if you're out and about. You have to have wind protection on your microphone when you're out and about with windy conditions especially. Now I really like the clip that you have on both devices. Now both of these will fit onto a cold shoe or hot shoe mount on your computer for instance, and actually feature a rubber grip on the inside. Not all microphones do that. It can be quite loose and slippy, but these ones have like a rubber grip that keeps it quite firm on top of the camera's cold shoe. That's a really nice little detail, but these things count. You get a lot of gear in this nice little case to carry around, very convenient, very portable. The lav mic is a nice little touch. And best of all, it sounds really, really good. As you saw from the test footage and as you can hear right now, the sound is amazing. For something under £100, brilliant. Cannot recommend it enough, and it's probably the one I'm going to be using just to leave it on my camera in the studio for recording YouTube videos. That's it for this video. Really impressive wireless microphone system from Kimafun, under £100 in the UK. If you want to go and check it out, if you want to grab one, there's a link in the description down below. Please make sure you subscribe while you're down there. It really helps this channel grow, and press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads coming up really soon. Lots of tech videos every single week. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.